This is the PTX 883 pneumatic crimping tool for crimping aluminum extrusion. In this particular application, we need to crimp the extrusion to hold the weather strip in place, but the location of the crimp has to be underneath the seal so that it's not visible. This is a couple of crimps that I did earlier, and all we're doing is closing the channel to keep this from sliding. So this tool is designed to go onto the extrusion, crimp, and when the weather strip is back in place, the crimp is invisible. Now sometimes the crimp is done on the outside. In this particular case, it wanted to be an invisible crimp. So now the seal is in place. These are custom tools designed for specific extrusions on a build-to-order basis. PTX 883 pneumatic extrusion crimp tool.